Hi, in this video I will show you how to allow camera access on the Snapchat. So whenever you open your Snapchat mobile application, you will see a screen like this. To use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. You can simply turn this on from here or go back. Simply open your settings, go to the apps and the notification from here, and then you have to search for the Snapchat here, tap on it, and you have to click on the permissions, and in the permissions you have to select camera and you have to click on the allow like this. So once you will click on the allow, you will give access to the camera on the Snapchat. So if you want to give access to your camera on the Snapchat, you can follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.